Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to measure for your arch kit. Whether you're going with a corner arch, a half circle arch, or our Mediterranean style design, we'll cover the differences between styles, how to check your walls, and the simple steps to get accurate measurements for a perfect fit. Before you grab your measuring tape, keep in mind that all our arch kits are for indoor use only and are not designed for doorways with doors. Also, if your wall thickness is greater than 8 inches, you will need to purchase 2 separate arch kits and combine them to fit your opening. Step 1. Choose your arch style. Here are our 3 arch styles. Corner arches are a small but transformative style that curve your doorways 9 inches out and down from each corner. Half circle arches are for a full rounded shape across the top of the doorway. This one is for openings from 24 to 53 inches wide. You can also purchase half circle kits for any size opening for a larger, more dramatic corner arch. Our Mediterranean style arches offer a shallow curve to soften interior wall openings. Step 2. Check the corners. In this step, you will check the corners with a square. If you don't have a square, it's okay to get creative or borrow from a neighbor. If they're under 90 degrees, no problem. You can install as usual with a little extra adhesive. If they're over 90 degrees, reach out for a custom order. These arches are designed for 90-degree corners. If your walls are significantly off, additional steps or a custom kit may be needed. Step 3. Measure your doorway. Now that you've chosen your arch style, let's break down how to measure for each one. To make it easy, we've included visuals for every style. You can pause the video or take a screenshot while you write down your measurements. Let's get started with the first one. Measuring for corner arches. To measure for the corner arch, take 3 wall thickness measurements on each side. 1 at the corner, 1 9 inches down, and 1 9 inches out. Write down the smallest number on each side, then subtract 1/8 of an inch. This allows space for joint compound to blend the arch into the wall. When placing your order, include both final measurements and note that you've deducted 1/8 of an inch. If you need help with this deduction, send us a message. We'll be happy to help. Measuring for half circle arches. For a half circle arch, start by measuring the width at the very top of your opening and then round up to the next inch. For example, if your doorway is 34.5 inches, order 35. Next, measure the wall thickness in 3 spots on each side. At the corner, 15 inches down the vertical wall and 15 inches out from the top. Use the smallest numbers and subtract 1/8 of an inch. In your order notes, you will need to include the doorway width and the wall thicknesses. Also, either confirm or let us know if you need help with the 1/8 inch deduction. Measuring for Mediterranean arches. The Mediterranean arch gives you a soft, semi-round curve without demolition or cutting tools. Similar to the half circle, start by measuring the doorway width at the top. However, measure twice. Mediterranean arch kits fit perfectly across your opening and it needs to be exact. Then, measure the wall thickness in 3 spots per side. At the corner, 15 inches down the vertical wall and 15 inches across the top. Subtract 1/8 of an inch from only your wall thickness measurements and include those final numbers in your order notes. If for any reason you need help with confirming your measurements, send us a message. We are happy to help. And that's it. Whether you're working with corner, half circle, or Mediterranean arch, following these steps will ensure your kit fits beautifully and installs smoothly. If you have unique measurements or need a custom piece, reach out through our shop, Arch Friends, Corner Enemies, listed in the description below. Thank you for watching.